How to buy and sell on crypto.com app. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to buy and sell crypto on crypto.com app. For that case, you have to make sure that you've already registered your account and also make sure that you have already verified. Now to begin with the trading process or the buy or sell button, you just have to go and log in, and when you logged in, make sure that you have enough funds as well. If you wish to go and sell the cryptos, then click on the sell button. As you click on the sell button, on the other field, what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and enter the exact amount of asset that you wish to sell, confirm the transaction, paste in the wallet address, all of that, and initiate the sell. As you've done that, you'll be notified that you've successfully sold crypto or an asset on your crypto.com. And to begin with the withdrawal procedure, and likewise, if you wish to buy the crypto, then you need to make sure that you have a payment source or that you've already added a payment source. That could either be a bank account or a crypto app, or that could either be a bank account or a credit card, debit card, or whatever. And then you need to confirm the asset or select the asset, enter the exact amount, all of that. And you'll be notified that you successfully bought the asset on your crypto.com app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.